Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I'll be showing you how you can download and install game space on your Tecno phone or Infinix or Samsung or Realme. So now let's proceed. First of all, in order to download game space, what you need to do is to head over to your Chrome browser. Head over to the Chrome browser. On the browser, click the search tab, then search game space apk. Just type game space apk and then you send. After that, links of several ways to download this app will appear. Do not just click anyone here, but I would recommend you to click apk pure. apk pure has the one for almost all the Android device, both Tecno, Infinix, Samsung. So just head over to apk pure and then click on it. You're going to see apk pure there if you scroll down. So now after that you have to scroll down and then you will see all versions of game space. You see game space 5.11, 5.9. So let me just go for the 5.9.0. just click on the download there, then another page will appear. Just scroll down a bit again, and then click download apk. And then it will start downloading. So what you just have to do is to wait for it to download finish. Let me check the progress, and now it has finished downloading. So after it has finished downloading, you just click on the link there and then they will tell you to install it. So just click install. You have to wait a bit for it to finish installing, and then the installation has been complete. So what you just have to do is to head back to check if it's actually got installed. So you just head back and then you see the game space there. But if yours did not install, then this is what you're going to do. But first, let me check it first. You have to agree to terms and conditions, and then you finish installing it. So that is how you can be able to do it. But if it did not install, this is what you're going to do next. Just head back and then head over to Play Store. Now on the Play Store, head over to the search tab and then you look for Activity Launcher. Now this Activity Launcher will help you to install it if it refused to install that initial time. But if yours installed, no need for this Activity Launcher. But if yours did not install, what you just have to do is to click on this Activity Launcher, install it, then head over into it and search for that app that you downloaded. Just search for game space there. It will appear and then it will help you install it manually by itself. And that is how you can be able to do this for both Infinix, Tecno, Realme and Samsung. So this comes to the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.